So as you can tell, there's a whole lot, not much left to my stalks. So this one I like to dig my potato. That's where the stalks are gone. These I think hi baby. I think it's been a really dry season. Wicked dry. Now potato size don't mean nothing to me. I'm going to eat whatever comes of the dough. Behave yourself, Charlotte. She thinks everything is a toy. So as you can tell, the so starting to get some. These were russets. So these were the early these were the first ones. These were the first ones, I think. The first druid I planted was there. Now for me, these stalks like this, the stalk is not wilted enough. So I'm definitely leaving this one. I'm leaving all the ones that still got green because I like my stalks to wilt down more like this so that the potatoes on the ground pulls all the nutrients down into the tuber and you get bigger potatoes. So just give them time. You got lots of time for harvesting potatoes. Hi, what's you stealing? What's you stealing, Evan? She's just a pup. She's a new addition to the family. It's been a really dry summer. So Matthew, I think, lost these potatoes. I think they dried up on it. Here you go. Come on. Look here. Look. She likes everything. She's just a young pup. So, the one that was planted. So, that was the wilted ones. So I'll turn you around. You see, these are not all wilted, not for my liking yet. So, you can see they're still standing, and I don't want to dig them yet. So there'll be lots more videos of digging potatoes. Not the greatest harvest, but every with the price of spuds this day and age. And from here to over there, I got 24. So, it's not hardly a drew yet. So we'll see how this goes. So, the pumpkins. 2 little pumpkins. And some corn. Now, I took the corn apart just to see how they were doing, and they were pollinated well. So, the handheld pollination method, I guess it worked. So I pollinated this one yesterday, and he's trying very hard to make viable seed. So once I got a good pollination, I don't need any more. Oh, we got another one right there. Didn't see you. If I'd seen you, I'd have pollinated you too. This little plant's fighting so hard to try to get seeds. Got another female coming there. So let's sit you there because we got all October. So I watch Rita open. When he opens, I put the pollen to him as well. Tomatoes. I need to come out here and clean up the vine a bit. Got my little yellows, which I was proud to get. So I'm thinking I might get the rest of these taken up. I should end up with over 100 pound of spuds for the winter. So the beets, they're doing good. You know, I got a lot of bottles of beets, and I just want enough to bottle some more for the winter. So I'm hoping for a good harvest of beets too, but I'm going to wait till the frost before I touch the beets. When the frost touches them, they tend to sweeten up, so just going to wait until then. So it's Saturday. There's a little bit of RDF. People in St. John certainly know what that means. Rangers on fog this morning. The cod fishery is open again this morning for the first time. And I've been trying to reach Matthew to see if he was going cod fishing. But I don't know where he's to today. He's probably gone cod fishing. I forgot he's dead. Out in the garden, out around home. It's It's okay. It's good to be home. Lots of work to do. Get ready for winter. Yeah. I took a couple and they've turned out good. That looks like a big corn to me. So, it's a nice corn too. Whew, look at that. That's 2 great corn. I think I need to come out and harvest them because there's a few more there. One there, one there. Yeah. Get my corn on the cobs. I think I'll come out and do that. So it was my first time growing corn. So this is all the male pedestals on the corn. The corn itself grows down in the bottom. Down there. I just took this corn off this one. A beautiful corn. Now I know this one is nothing because it never even got a chance to grow, but great for a pig, I guess. But there was some nice corn. Now this is a nice corn. And there's a nice cob. So I'm not going to peel them back. I've already peeled back several and seen that the pollination is really nice on them. So I'm going to leave these for the fridge. Now I dug a row of potatoes and there's people that's getting scabs on their potatoes. Well, they're setting Pontiac Reds, and I know they're a nice potato to eat, but they're not a very hearty potato, so got a very thin skin. So if you want something to fight that resistance to that scab, then russets or Yukon Go be the potato that you should be setting. So if you're showing up with scabs on your potatoes, then change your variety to russets or Yukon Go, and you're doing great. So, let's see, can you see this one? Sure, let's have a look. That's a great corn. And there's a great corn. And there's some nice spuds. So I only got I guess these will go in the compost bin. Chop them off a bit smaller so that they can go in the compost bin. The little pumpkin that's sitting next to me is trying to grow a pumpkin, and it's pretty late, but I pollinated him yesterday. I'm going to let him have a shot. If he wants to grow, if he can make it, he can make it. If he can't, ain't no big deal. So I got potatoes to harvest, beets to harvest, carrots. I don't think the carrots come to anything. And Maddie come and dug my onions a little early, so I was in Alberta dug them. So I wish they'd either waited because they were fell over, but the stem was still viable. And if the stem is viable, being fell over don't mean much. I had a buddy from New Brunswick that said that they would go out with snowshoes on and walk over their onions just to get the next broke. So I think they were getting ready to bulb up, get bigger, but I was gone away, and Eddie came up. I guess he thought he was doing good. He just harvested them. So that is exactly what it is. Once it's at the ground, you can't put it back. So we'll see how the potatoes goes. In a few more days, I'll come out there and get some more. I took one row because they were all wilted and fell over the way I want some to be fell over. It's been a really, really dry year. When you dig down, the soil is just like the powder. So I'm really amazed that I'm getting any potatoes with the dry weather that we're in. From Bob the Newfoundland gardener, let's keep growing on the rock. Have a good day, everyone. Bye.